Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. Today, I'll show you how to disable Windows Defender on Windows 11 easily and safely. This can be helpful if you're installing software that Defender blocks or if you prefer using a different antivirus program. So let's jump right in. First is to click the Start menu and then open Settings. So we have Privacy here onto the bottom part. Click onto this one. And so that it would be easier, let's type here onto the search bar Windows Security Settings. So once you're in here, you'll just need to open the Windows Security here. So there are a lot of options available in here wherein you could go ahead and adjust so that you could turn off the different antivirus provided by the system. Go ahead and turn this one on. Simply click onto this one and click on Manage Settings. So as you can see, real-time protection is currently turned on. If you want to turn this off, just simply toggle this off and then turn this back on. Just click this back again. And that is how easy to disable Windows Defender in Windows 11. If you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.